What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chef K, and today we're going to be making this iced tiramisu latte. Cheers! So we're going to start off by grinding up our espresso. Now, I'm not going to recommend this brand to you guys because I ordered it off of Amazon, and like it's cool, but I just can't send it back. So now I'm at the point where I'm just going to use it. So here's me using it. Anyway, we're just going to grind up our espresso. And now we're going to move on to making our cold foam. Now I'm using an electric frother. If you have a handheld one, that's fine. I'm going to leave a link to this one down below in the description box, so if you guys want to check this out, you can. So I'm going to put in some powdered sugar, some heavy cream, some half and half because I didn't have any milk, so I'm just using half and half, some vanilla extract, and some mascarpone cheese. And you want to make sure that the mascarpone cheese is cold. And this one that I'm using, it has a button, so you just press it to get to the cold foam, and when it's finished whipping up, then it's just finished. And if you're using a handheld frother, you want to go ahead and whip that up for a few minutes until everything is combined. And once the cold foam is finished, we're just going to place it to the side and move on to assembling the drink. So we're going to take a tablespoon of chocolate syrup and place that at the bottom of the cup. Then we're going to add in our amaretto sour. Oh shit, I was going to say amaretto sour. I'm trying to order a drink at the bar. And then we're going to add in our amaretto syrup. This is like, you know, an important step because that's usually going to get that tiramisu flavor. So definitely you want to add this in. And then add in like a ton of ice. And then I'm going to go in with some almond milk. Now you can use whatever kind of milk you want to use, oat milk, 2%, whatever. And by this point, our espresso should be cooled down. So we're going to go ahead and pour that in on top of the milk and then give that a nice stir so all the flavors can combine. I hate when I order a coffee and they just leave the syrup sitting at the bottom. Like, ma'am, just make the drink nice. Coffee really makes people happy. It could really ruin your day, like your morning, or you have a really good start to your day. Anyway, speaking of start to your day, why did this happen to me? And I thought I was done. I was like, oh my god, I gotta make this over. But it was just a little bit that fell out. So now we're just gonna add that cold foam on top. And you want it to be smooth like this consistency. Once it gets to this point, you want to stop if you're using the handheld frother, because if you over mix this, it will break apart. And also if your ingredients are not cold, it will break apart as well. And then we're going to take some of this dark cocoa powder and just dust that on top. And I'm just using a sifter to dust this cocoa powder on top. And we're just going to clean up the cup and enjoy at this point. Like, we're all done. Now this drink tastes very similar to tiramisu, and it's super good. Obviously you don't want to drink this every day because it's a lot. But yeah, it's super good. Let me know if you guys try this recipe out in the comments. And I'll check you guys in the next video. Later. Ain't no ifs, ands, or maybes. You gon' always be my favorite.